Hey everyone, your daily upload limits can be sometimes really difficult to accomplish, especially if you're working to achieve those upload limits on Merch by Amazon. Today I'm going to help you kind of work your way through that by just completely thinking of an idea and an image. So let me show you what I'm up to here, what I'm working on. So I'm using Design Sensei. We're going to click start over here just to kind of work together on this. And I'm using Design Sensei to create 50 complete ideas for me on autopilot just by a simple idea. If you're on Merch by Amazon, let's say you have 800 upload slots for the day. You don't want all 800 to be in one singular niche, right? You want to have some good diversity. So let's pick a niche right now. In my case, I'll pick, let's say, Sicily, Italy, since we already have, some kind of design like that here. So Sicily, Italy, okay. And I'll type in pride here. All right, so proud to be in Sicily, Italy, or proud to be Sicilian, right? I'll go ahead and select, for the sake of this video, algorithm 2, why not? And algorithm 2, for those who are curious, it's just text, image, text. As opposed to algorithm 3, which is, 3 lines of text or 2 lines of text and followed by an image that are different fonts. And then we have finally algorithm 1, which is just text and then image. So for the sake of this video, let's go ahead and pick algorithm 2. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit generate. The only reason why you see a design here now is because of my previous 50 that I created. But let's go ahead and hit generate here. And while this is generating, I have an idea of how I kind of want to set this up in my mind. I probably want some text that will be, a decent color. Let's see here. Let's click on some of this text. Right, born in Sicily, okay. Now let's kind of control the spacing to make this look decent. So I can control the image size. We can make this big, we can make this small. I like a decent size, somewhere on the bigger side, not too big, but, something that makes sense. I'm going to select my font. Let's go with the Fat Boy font for now, and let's see kind of if it's good or not. And in this case, I think I'm going to go with all uppercase, right? That's what I think I'm going to go with. Born in Sicily. And let's decrease those gaps now, right? So text image gap, we're decreasing the gap between this text and this image. And then we have this text right here. So I'm going to decrease the gap here. And now I can think about, okay, how do I want this font to really look like, right? Because I can play with the colors. So I can do an outline, for example, on the font, and I can make it red if I want. But I don't want to make it red. I think I'm going to go with white for the main color. And so now it has like this border kind of effect. I'm also going to play around with the types of fonts that I have. So if you look, this is a font that's really kind of more like an Arabic style. So I'm not going to select that one. That really won't make sense. Let's not select this one either. Let's kind of just play around with them. So the Game of Thrones font, not really here. Not, it's not ideal for this case. Let's go with... Let's see here. We have the Super Malibu font. I like this font, actually. Not too bad. Now that the font is selected, we can increase the font size just to kind of make it a little bit more equivalent with the design, as you can see. So I'll increase that font size, and that looks pretty decent. I could really picture this selling on a sticker, for Redbubble, but in the same case, we're talking about Merch by Amazon today, so this could really sell on pretty much anything. And what we'll do is we might even decrease that gap a little bit more, so something like this, for example, and same thing here, okay, just that perfect space, okay, and let's just click around. Let's see how this actually looks right now. So Sicilian blood, boom, and you got the heart with the Italian flag. Sicily is calling, that's a good one too. Ancestry, Sicilian, that's a good one. For this one, I might want like a little colon here, so I'll go ahead and edit the text and just click on this little colon. I'll hit accept, and now that looks a little bit better, right? Let's click Sicilian power. Yeah, so I'm really happy with the way this looks overall. So it's time to export now. Instead of just exporting my designs, I want to be able to upload them faster to Merch by Amazon if I'm in that scenario. So what I'll do is I'll scroll down, right? This is kind of like a spreadsheet of every single design that was created here. And I'm going to now control my tags. So however you want your keywords to be you guys can select it here. Just for the sake of this video, for speed, I'm going to decrease this down to just 3, right, relatively quickly. We'll click creative here, and we'll click short tail. This is just, like I said, I'm just using this as an example. We'll go ahead and hit generate title and tags. And now we're just waiting for all 50 title and tags to be completed in the spreadsheet. Once it's completed, we'll then go ahead and click on the export button. And the export button will help us export all the designs along with that spreadsheet of the titles and the tags. Now, you could upload all this manually. There's different softwares out there that you can use to export things on autopilot for Merch by Amazon. So you could look into those as well. Obviously, they differ in cost, they differ in strategy. I'm assuming that at this point, if if you're tier 800, or not, excuse me, not tier 800, but if you have 800 slots to upload, for example, per day, then you might, already access a software like that. But we're going to go ahead and click now export all. Now, if you want to go ahead and look at these and read through them, you perfectly fine. I mean, you could. You can see how they all look. Let's go ahead and click export all. And now let's see how the kind of full collection is created once it's all created. So you can see here it's packaging it up. It's 2 out of 4 steps completed or close to being completed. And in just a few seconds, it will all be completed here. This is quite a lot of designs. 50 designs are, a pretty decent amount. So let's just give it a minute here. And then once it's finished, which it seems like it's almost finished, then enlarge our work here. So this is the file that we received as a zip file currently, because it is an algorithm 2, type of design. We have images here. All these images are now created for us. Let's go ahead and click on a few. Right, so I'll just enlarge, for example, these few. Right, so I'll decrease the size of this. Now, I want you guys to pay attention. The background here is gray. That's only because it's transparent. That's all it is. So all these designs will look perfect on something like Merch by Amazon or anything like that. And if you're curious, the export size here is 4,500 by 5,400. So it will work for your t-shirts, will work for your hoodies, okay? And you could see all of them look pretty decent. I know somebody in the Merch by Amazon space who, probably has made roughly, if I had to guess, about 10K a month doing this and using this tool. So he's doing pretty well, and literally he's just switching the text, on the image. Now, once again, the more images you have for your upload slots, the more opportunity you're going to have. But really, it's just owning a piece of real estate on the internet. Having that t-shirt design listed on Amazon will create you some money. And you can do the same approach, if you want to connect this to Printify and upload it to Etsy, upload it to the Amazon Seller Central, right? Because you can upload these designs to Printify. You can see here, we have a button here that says export to Printify. All you have to do is save your Printify API key in there, and then it will send all of these 50 designs into Printify. So pretty cool overall. Let's go ahead and just take a look here at these again. Once again, pretty good. Nothing really wrong with them. And that's pretty much it. 50 designs created in literally a few seconds. You saw it here. Job finished. Thank you for watching. Talk to you soon.